highlights when it detects unique and interesting movement from your dog, so you're certain to capture their best moments that you'll be excited to share with your friends on social media. In the app, scroll, play, save, and share your dog's best clips. Pause Cam is the perfect camera.
Mounts, you don't need a big selfie stick. You can just stick it up there and take shots from above or just right in front, and your hands are free to do whatever. Poto uses a special micro suction pad. It'll work on walls, windows, a pole, basically on anything. And it's not a tape, so you can stick, unstick, and just wipe with water to use again.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
To wash it, wet your finger like this and wipe carefully. You can feel the dirt rolling off. Let it dry and you're good to go. Even better, if you use a blow dryer or hand dryer, all the grippy features loosen up and the pad will work good as new. For extra flexibility, there's a strong magnet in there too.
So that's how Poto sticks. Visit potolabs.com for more.